Hello everybody, it's Duncan from Duncan here, and today I have pretty much a tutorial on batch files. As you can see, I've got a folder here with more than one batch files I created. But batch files are basically files or scripts that are run in CMD prompts, and they are written with Notepad. But in this case, I'm going to be using a free program called Notepad++. It basically just makes it a little easier. So if you use Notepad++, set language to batch. Well, it is not needed. You don't have to do this, and if you are just using your regular Notepad, you can just skip this step. Okay, so first of all, what you do in every new batch file you create, you do @echo off. What this basically does is when I open Notepad, here we go, I can write stuff, and if I do echo off, basically I can do the same stuff, it just doesn't show it anymore, so that makes it a little cleaner. Then what I recommend we are going to do is echo hello, pause. So now I'm going to save it as test. Well, considering Notepad++ and I set the language to bat, I can just save it as test. If you don't use Notepad++ or haven't set the language to bat, you do test.bat. Okay, save. So here it is. So if I run it, it says hello. Then press the key to, sorry my system is in Dutch. Press the key to continue. Now, a rule: if there's nothing behind a pause, the script will close, or unless you have a flag behind it, but we'll get into that later. So instead of echo hello, well, we can still do that. We're gonna now do a user input. So we're gonna do set/p for a user input. Then we're gonna make the variable. This can be everything, like knife chicken. Then equals, no spaces, and then fill in yes or no. Then a colon and space. So now fill in yes or no, and we can fill something in. So now we're gonna make an if statement. So we're gonna just write it behind here. If %, knife chicken, %, double equals yes. So if the input of knife chicken, which is the variable, is yes, go to, I'm just gonna call it A. Then if knife chicken is no, go to B. And now, because we just want them to fill in yes or no, we're gonna make an if not knife chicken is yes, go to C, and if not knife chicken is no, go to C. So we're gonna check if knife chicken is yes, go to A. If knife chicken is no, go to B. If knife chicken is not yes, go to C. And if knife chicken is not no, go to C. So basically this will count as, this will run simultaneously, so it will check it out. So now you've heard me saying flag already. Now we're gonna create a flag. So flag, and we said go to A, so flag A. And then echo you've chosen to fill in yes. Oh, yes. Then pause and go to, hold on, flag starts, go to start. So what it does now is fill in yes or no, and if you fill in yes, you've chosen to fill in yes, and then press G to go back to start. But as you can see, this all fills up on one screen. So what we're gonna do, behind the flags, we're gonna put CLS. We're gonna do that behind everything. And what that basically does is CLS clears the screen. So that also works in CMD. So if I were to do, let's say, net, it comes up with this. And now if I want to clear the screen, I'm gonna do CLS, and there it is. Screen's cleared. So now if we do yes, see, it just clears the screen and comes up with this. You've chosen to fill in yes, press Q to continue, and then it does it again. That's because of CLS and CLS. So basically it's forming a spreadsheet. Now B, because if you fill in no, you're going to C, or you're going to go to B. So I'm going to do echo you've chosen to fill in no. Pause, go to start. So now if you fill in no, you've chosen to fill in no, but I've forgotten to put CLS. So there you go. And now, for if they don't fill in any of those, C, echo, you've not filled in yet. Oh no, let's formulate it different. You've filled in something other than yes or no. Pause, go to start. Oop, gotta see less. Okay, so now basically what this does, yes, you've chosen to fill in yes, no, you've chosen to fill in no, and then knife chicken is awesome. Oh, I've done something wrong. So I think it's perhaps because I did. So if I just do this, yeah, there you go. You filled something in. You filled in something other than yes or no. It's just because I use spaces. Like if I do Leroy, oh, sucks eggs, you fill in something other than yes or no. And if it is just something else with spaces, it just closes the script. So that's basic coding, well, basic batch coding. And yeah, as you can see, I'll just run it down with it one more time. You create, you basically, this is for clearing the screen. Well, clearing the screen. Well, basically it's making sure that this line C users and your username doesn't come up. Then the starting flag. Then you clear the screen, because then when you go back to start, it clears the screen. Then you don't have to fill this in, but if you want to do a user input, set/p variable question, and then an if statement. If it is answer A, go to A. If it's answer B, go to B. If not, the variable is answer A, go to C. If it's not answer B, go to C. Then you make flags with the letters or whatever you fill in. I can do this knife chicken, and then I do this knife chicken, and it would still work. So yeah, so it would still work. I can actually show you that. So if I do yes, see, it still goes to yes because it's knife chicken, and here it's also knife chicken. So you can basically fill in everything like that. So I hope you learned something from this quick coding, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.